This is the section composing simple 4-bar rhythms. Let's look at these. This one goes ta ti 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 ta 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 ti 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 ta ta ta. Same rhythm in the second half as in the first half. And look, it's the same contour, the same line of going up and then down again, although the intervals are different. Look at this. This is similar in that sense. Dee 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 guitar, dee 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 guitar. Different pitches, and yet not too dissimilar, but the rhythm is the same in each half. That's more or less the same thing here, except for the last note, or the last bar even, I mean. That and that are different. Dee 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 da, dee 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 da da. And why did I do TT for 2 crotchets? Well, because it's 2 minim beats in a bar. Right, here we go. Da 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 dee da. So 2 parts of the phrase with the same gentle arch shape and the same beginning rhythm, and then it's slightly different at the end, but one can see the connection. Here is another one. Da da dee da 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 da. So okay, it goes up and down and then up again, and this goes down first and then up, so that's different. But there are 3 notes followed by a long note, 3 notes followed by a long note. And yes, the rhythm there is slightly different to there, but I think the connection is fairly obvious. Now read the next page, page 25, about rhythmic features. I'm not going to mention it in this video. You can read it yourselves, think it through, and tap the rhythms. Let's just have a very brief look at exercise 1. That and that are exactly the same. That bar and that bar are exactly the same. In terms of rhythm, of course. Well, rhythmically, that bar and that bar and that bar, all 3 bars are the same. Well, they're almost the same, but they're not the same. The last 2 notes there become 1 note there. But yet that whole phrase, and in fact we would then put a line over under the 2 bars or a bracket, is the same then as the next phrase, which is just 3 notes higher, but it's exactly the same rhythm. Dun, 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 dun. And exercise 2, we'll read the instructions carefully and just get on with it. Make sure that you compose 4 bars. That means, of course, putting a bar line there, and a bar line at the end. Do we have to put a double bar line? No, you don't.